This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices and pairing them. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and laptop now. On the phone, enable hotspot and specifically enable Bluetooth tethering so the phone advertises network access. On the laptop, open Bluetooth settings, find the phone, and pair using the shown PIN. Accept connections on both devices. Once paired, make sure the phone's network is active, cellular data or Wi-Fi, because Bluetooth only shares whatever internet source the phone already has. Once paired, you must tell the laptop to use the phone for internet. On Windows, right-click the phone under Bluetooth Network and select Connect using Access Point or enable the PAN network. On Mac OS, choose the phone under Network Preferences and add a Bluetooth PAN interface. Verify that DHCP assigns an IP, gateway, and DNS so traffic routes correctly. If you see no internet, disable Wi-Fi or Ethernet temporarily to avoid routing conflicts, and then retry the Bluetooth PAN connection. You finish by testing the connection. Open a browser or ping a reliable IP to confirm traffic passes over the Bluetooth PAN. If speed or latency is poor, make sure both devices are close. Restart Bluetooth and toggle tethering. Bluetooth is sensitive to interference. If there's no connection at all, unpair and repair the devices, check the phone's data plan or carrier tethering limits, and verify airport mode is off. One key tip: reboots often clear stubborn Bluetooth routing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.